this morning to the town of Bremerhaven, which is on the German North Sea coast, to see a U-boat. And this is quite a special U-boat. It's from the very end of the Second World War, and it's special because it was one of the first type of U-boats that could stay submerged for an entire patrol. Of course, U-boats ran on diesel engines that could only be used on the surface, and these charged the batteries that allowed the vessel to be manoeuvred underwater. This is a bigger U-boat with bigger batteries, but it'd be fascinating to go and take a closer look.
The most obvious thing you notice when you walk inside the U-boat is just how cramped everywhere is, and how every single space is filled with some kind of control or dial or valve. It's incredible that they could keep track of it all.
So there we are, after months of writing about U-boats. I finally got to go inside one. This one is much bigger, of course, than the First World War U-boats that I'm writing about at the moment. But all the same, it still feels very cramped when you're in there. You can't imagine what it would be like to be in there for weeks and potentially months at a time. But fascinating to see inside.